Your iPhone is acting up, and everyone tells you, just reset it. Then you freeze because you're scared of ending up with an empty phone. Photos, chats, passwords, all gone. The truth is, there are 3 kinds of reset, and only the last one actually erases anything. Let me show you the 4 steps to fix your iPhone and keep all your data. Step 1. First of all, back it up. Resetting isn't risky. Resetting without a backup is. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud, iCloud Backup, and Backup now. Wait until today's date and time appear underneath. If you leave before that, the backup isn't complete. If iCloud tells you there isn't enough space, plug the iPhone into your computer and back it up there. It's free and it has no limits. Only once you have a backup can you touch anything else with peace of mind. Step 2. The light reset, a force restart. 9 problems out of 10 disappear here and nothing gets erased. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release volume down. Then hold the side button, the one on the right, until the Apple logo appears. It can take up to 20 seconds. This is the reset everybody calls a reset, and it actually erases absolutely nothing. It just switches off and back on whatever got stuck. Always try this one first. Step 3. Reset all settings. Your data stays. It wipes your settings, not your life inside the phone. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. Careful here. Choose Reset all settings, not the option below it. Your photos, apps, messages, and contacts stay exactly where they are. You only lose your saved Wi-Fi networks, your wallpapers, and the preferences you had changed, and putting those back takes just a few minutes. This step fixes almost every problem with network, Bluetooth, and battery going crazy. Step 4. Only if you really must. Erase and restore. You erase the phone, not the data. That comes back from the backup. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, and this time choose Erase all content and settings. The phone will ask for your Apple ID password. If you don't have it, stop right there, because without that password, the iPhone stays locked and unusable after the wipe. When it restarts, during setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, sign in with your Apple ID, and pick today's backup. Everything comes back exactly as it was, just clean. Golden rule: back it up first, then move up one step at a time, and stop as soon as the problem is gone. Let me know in the comments which step fixed it, and subscribe to Tatos for more iPhone tutorials.